So WP Automatic have just launched their new update, and in this update they have introduced GPT-3 feature, and we can use it to create content directly in WP Automatic. I have tested that feature and it looks cool to me, and I have experimented it, and today in this video I will share with you how you guys can use it. And for this I will use the example of my smart price to scrape the latest mobile phones, and will create the content using GPT-3 plus giving the data which I will scrape with the help of WP Automatic. So let's dive into the screen now. I will create a new campaign in WP Automatic, and before going that I'll show you what I'm trying to achieve exactly. On my smart price website, there is a section of new mobile phones here, you see, and from there I get this list of new mobile phones. I will scrape all the phones one by one, and will create the post, and will create introduction paragraphs and different things using GPT-3 plus WP Automatic. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel, make sure you have watched previous video about multi-page scraper, because in this I will use the multi-page scraper feature. I have already created a lot of videos on this feature of WP Automatic. If you don't know about it, I would recommend please watch those videos first before going further. So here we'll go the item list page URL, where we have all the list of links we want to scrape from, and using visual selector we need to give it the link to first item. So first item is this. With hover it, and single item title extraction method. Again I will use this visual selector, and will hover to this to select the font name. So our title will become font's name. And again, for content extraction method, I won't be extracting all the content. I will extract the content in parts, and for that I will use extract content using visual selector method. And you see it has already populated the first link from the list. Again I will use the visual selector, and will scrape the content in part. Like first I get this price, and in second I will get the image, and in third I will get its performance display camera. In third I will get its camera feature. Similarly you can scrape all the parts, and I will show you how to use these parts in content. I have scraped 3 parts for the demonstration in this video. You can scrape all the parts you need and create your own content. Now comes to the original post template part here. Yeah, now original title will be the title. We can edit it too, like we can add features, specs, etc. Anything we can add here. And in content template we don't need all of these things. So first we need to create the introduction paragraph. For that there is a new shortcut introduced by WP Automatic, which is GPT-3, and under it comes the prompt. In prompt we have to give what we want as output from the GPT-3 using our prompt. So for example, I want to create a introduction paragraph, so I will give it prompt to like generate an introduction paragraph on topic. Like in original title we got the font name, so our topic will become Your smartphone launched. Now GPT-3 will use its own technology to create the paragraph on this particular topic, and we got the introduction paragraph. Again, I will create the second heading with camera features because I have skipped the camera feature in third row, so I can use it directly with templating part like comes with row 3 plain camera features. I can use it like this, and I can also create paragraph using the GPT-3 with it. For that I need to give it like this, GPT-3 and slash GPT-3, and I will give it prompt like expand a paragraph. Now let's see how the GPT-3 will work, and I can also create the conclusion. Generate conclusion paragraph on topic. I need to give the prompt under this in these shortcuts. Like this. I am like using the dummy or sample prompts. You need to work on these prompts to get the higher quality content as per your requirement. But for testing, I am using this only. So let's publish the campaign. About further settings, I have already created videos, so without expanding the video to much length, I'll try to be on topic for using the GPT-3 feature using the multi-page scraper of WP Automatic. Now let's see how the content it will create. You can also like set it to schedule to scrape by minutes, days also, and you can also manually check. Now let's see, it got hanged. Yeah, it has created this post. Now let's see. Yeah, it has created the introduction paragraph like this. Realme has recently launched the Realme 10 Pro, which is short impress tag in this time. Introduction paragraph. This quality of content will all depend on the prompt engineering. Means what type of prompt you give to the GPT-3, and it will return the content as per your prompt. I have given it the dummy prompt, so it gives this content, but this content is 100% unique and can rank. And you see it has used what we have given it, 108 plus 2 MP camera, and it has used the exact same data and created the paragraph according to its understanding and its training. And like I have created for one paragraph, you can create similarly for different paragraphs, different features you can scrape in parts and create your own content. And you can, this is for the sample, or you can say example of how you can use multi-page scraper with GPT-3 feature of WP Automatic. I hope you guys like it and will use it to create a lot of websites in different niches, and will share your insights in our Facebook group, that is Automate and Chill. And I will share its more advanced features and pro features in the upcoming programmatic SEO course I have started last week. So that's all for today. See you next video. Bye.